Good morning, everyone. So today it's pretty early. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, but actually I should already be at work right now. But sometimes things don't go as planned. And this was one of those mornings. I planned to take my town car to work. Since the snow is gone, the roads are dry, and I scheduled an appointment to have the service done on the car, full service, and I wanted to talk about it, make a video about it. And then the highway this morning, not too long ago, a deer jumped out of nowhere. I know that sounds dumb, but that's just how it was. He came out of nowhere, and I didn't have my dash cam, as you can see, no dash cam today to film it. Deer came out of nowhere, jumped in front of me, hit the brakes hard. Town car tried to slow down as good as it could and hit the deer. Here rolled on the side of the town car, passenger side here, landed in the road. I drove to the shoulder, and a gentleman in a truck stopped. He dragged the deer out of the road, and I called the police to get some paperwork for the insurance for my town car, because as you all know, I mean, the car has 45,000 miles. I just bought a new grill. I have bought new headlights in the past. I baby it. I take good care of it. It's almost like a new vehicle, and now there's some damage on it, you know. So I'm not happy about that. I looked at the damage in the dark. I see the bumper gaps are off. I see the headlight is completely busted out. That's why my lights are so dim. Yeah, there's plenty of hair sticking out everywhere. The hood is bent too. It definitely needs some repair from a good body shop. And yeah, I'm going to work now, late. I hope I don't hit another deer. Police officer said he thinks there's not much damage on the car for the size of the deer. You've seen a lot of cars that are totaled when they hit a deer that size. Yeah, that sounds good, but still not fun for me. Alright, I'm gonna go to work. I'll keep my eyes on the road, and after work I'll probably take the car to a body shop right away to see what they say, and I'll call insurance and start all that stuff. So I'll keep you posted, and when I have all the info collected, I'll finish the video, and yeah, hopefully we'll get this nice town car fixed. Alright, take care, and the video's not over, so just the first part is over. Alright, couple hours later, and I know more right now. So here's the town car. Look at it. Sad to see that. I already went to a body shop and got an estimate. I contacted my insurance, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's look at the damage. You can see there's some hair from the deer. Okay, obviously the headlight is completely broken with those expensive bulbs I put in and put a review out. That sucks. My LED lights on the sides, of course, all work. What else can I see? This is bent. The hood's bent. The bumper got pushed in and popped out here. Bumper cover. There are small micro cracks right there, and they are hard to capture, especially when I'm that close. I don't know if this works. You can't see them, but there are small cracks in the paint from when they got pushed in and popped back out. So that's the damage, the main damage on the vehicle that I see and that the body shop saw, and he got me an estimate. So we'll go over it and see how expensive it is. And the lights still don't work anymore, and I don't know if the brights still work. Let's go try. Let's turn them on. When I was driving this morning, it was really dim on the road. I mean, I could barely see with one light. And there was a dog running over the road, so I thought I almost hit a dog too. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. That light still works. I wonder why I could barely see though. Because I really had... There's that bulb, it's all crooked in there, see that? Yeah, I could not see much on the road. Yeah, that's all crooked on the side there. Wow. Just noticed that. Oh well. Hopefully I'll get it all fixed. Waiting for the insurance. See what they tell me. I'll hop in the car and we'll look at the estimate. Alright, here's the estimate. And I think it makes sense what it says there. The front bumper has to be repaired. Clear coat, paint. The bumper assembly has to be overhauled, whatever that is. Remove, replace headlamp. Then we need one new headlamp, which costs $258.30 OEM, according to them. The grill is still okay, has to come off though, be reinstalled. Then the fender has to... Oh, what's what they doing with the fender? I don't know. They do something with the fender, and yeah, the hood assembly has to come off too and be reinstalled because the hood is definitely bent. Yeah, that will be expensive too, I think, the hood, and that's aluminum hood, it says there. Yeah, they have to remove and reinstall the wheel opening molding, couple miscellaneous operations, flags and corrosion. All right, yeah, let's see. We have the paint there, we have the parts there. Let me go to the next page. And here we are. The next page tells me parts will cost $288. Labor and body will be $903.50. Labor and a refinish, $793. Then the material and the paint, $536. So total, a grand total of $2,689. And of course that can change when they do it. It sometimes changes, but it's an estimate, and I do believe that's pretty accurate. I'm waiting for the insurance, see what they say. They do work with this body shop, so there shouldn't be a problem to get this fixed. And I'll let you know when I know more. And when the vehicle is fixed, of course, we'll go over it and see what it looks like. My biggest concern is that the paint will match. I hate it when you have a car and it's pretty and the paint does not match when they fix it. That's really bugging me. So I'm really a little bit worried about that. Now those bulbs, yeah, I got those expensive bulbs there. They weren't even that good, so I can buy new ones. That's okay. They'll probably put the cheap Chinese ones in. Yeah, well, it's just what it is, you know, one of those days. But look at how nice it is outside, how beautiful it is. We had rain and higher temperatures, so most of the snow is gone. It's not beautiful there, the mountains back there. All right. Yeah, thanks for watching this, and please comment, leave me a message if you want to talk to me. Subscribe, like, and see you all soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.